Hey everyone, today I want to make a video about Bilt Hamber panel impact ratio, how to calculate it, because usually it is very easy and every other manufacturers have this dilution ratio written on the bottle, but the Bilt Hamber has this giant instruction how to do it. So what do you need? You need your bottle for the foam cannon. You need some measuring cup or measuring like bucket, anything, and I have this little bit as a bucket with the measuring lines. First of all, what you need to do, you need to fill your foam cannon with plain water. So I know that in my situation it is going to be 250 milliliters. So up to the top line, I know I already measured it. It's going to be 250 milliliters up to here. So in my situation it's 250 milliliters, but you need to measure it for your foam cannon. You need to know exactly how much water you have here. So next I'm gonna put the foam cannon on top. Okay, and because my pressure washer is cordless, I need to prime it. Actually, review gonna be in the description, all the links in the description. Not the bad stuff. Okay, it's primed. It's primed. I'm gonna insert it. And now what we need to do, we need to spray until our foam cannon is empty. And very important to measure how much water you're gonna spend with empty, like until the foam cannon is empty. So I'm gonna try to put as much water as I can inside this one. So okay, let's start. Standby mode. Okay, let's start. Practically empty. I think it will be very difficult to see, but you see this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So almost 5 liters of water I used to empty full bucket. Oh, sorry, not the full bucket, but the full foam cannon. Now what I need to do, I need to take this 5 liters, so 5,000 milliliters, and I need to multiply it by my dilution ratio. So the dilution ratio is 1% for very slightly dirty vehicle, and up to 5% if it's very dirty vehicle. And in my situation it means that I need to multiply 5 liters, 5,000 milliliters. For example, my vehicle is going to be extremely dirty, so I'm going to multiply it by 0.05, and that's going to be my dilution ratio. I need to put 5,000 times 0.05 for extremely heavy cleaning. And in my situation it means it's going to be the full bottle of the product, because my foam cannon doesn't have this beautiful foamy abilities. So yeah, it's pretty bad cannon. And if I want to put, for example, the car through very light cleanup, I don't need 5%, I need maybe 4, 3 or 2%. So basically you need to multiply your amount of water by percent that you want to use. So 1% for very lightly dirty vehicles and 5% for heavy duty stuff. Yeah, so I hope it was helpful, and ask me any questions in the comment if you have one.